Hi, my name is Rafiq Punjani. Our family started Anago Cleaning Business in Manitoba, Canada in 2016. It's our almost fourth year completion, entering into fifth year. These are all the franchisees that we have, almost 40 franchisees in about 4.5 years now. And I'm glad that we started the cleaning business because it is recession resistant, especially during the time of COVID 19. People are appreciating the importance of cleanliness and hygiene and disinfection at the office spaces, and our business is doing better. And I'm also glad that we went to the franchising route because, see, I'm an accountant. My sister, who's my business partner, she's a nurse. We didn't have any cleaning experience, but we were hardworking people. And we thought that if we start a franchising business, then we'll be trained by somebody who knows the business well. I'm so glad that we chose Anago because Adam and the team at corporate office has supported us at every step, from marketing to starting the business to setting up the office to set up the franchisees to help them grow their business. Now we have over 100 people working in the team here, and I'm so glad that we started Anago Cleaning Systems. So if you are thinking about it, I think you should move forward. It's very rewarding. Thank you again, Rafiq from Anago Cleaning here in Manitoba, Canada. Thank you.